Hi, today we're going to talk about how easy it is to install an expansion vessel using a Flexconsole system. It's a wall-mounted pipe that allows you to easily install the vessel to make it easy for access later on. This is how easy it is. I've taken the liberty of already drilling some holes in the wall for speed. Slide it in through one bolt, add your second bolt. Once we're actually tight to the wall, this will now hold the expansion vessel. But to make the expansion vessel easy to service in future, we're going to fit a flex control. This is an isolation and drain valve, also behaves as a lock shield valve, so we meet all of the UK and European legislation on protecting the expansion vessel. We simply screw it in place, tighten it up. Now we're ready to attach the vessel. The vessel itself, I've already put the mating coupling onto it. And so now, for argument's sake, we'll show the Flexcon label. We mount it to the vessel and tighten it up. That's it, job done.